Hello children, you are welcome to Social Studies class. How are you this morning? I am Mrs. Obadofin from Grace Children's School, Gbagada, Lagos. We learned about a particular topic last week. Can you still remember? The topic was the religions in Nigeria. How many religions do we have in Nigeria? There are three major religions in Nigeria. Can you name them? Christianity, Islamic, and traditional religion. Good. Today, our topic is other religions in the world. Other religions in the world. I'm excited because we are going to learn new things today. We are going to learn about other religions apart from the ones we have in Nigeria. Are you ready, children? So, come along with me. What are the objectives? At the end of the lesson, we should be able to name the other religions in the world, identify the differences in these religions, and list the moral lessons that all the religions of the world teach us. Other religions in the world. There are many religions in the world. This means people around the world worship God in all kinds of ways. Some religions are 1. Judaism, 2. Buddhism, and 3. Hinduism. Judaism. Judaism is a religion of the Jews. Who are the Jews? The Jews are the Jewish people. Jewish people believe they were chosen as people of God. They believe in a holy book called Torah. Torah is written in Hebrew language. Hebrew language. Torah is also called the Law of Moses. It's also called what? The Law of Moses. Jewish people worship in holy places known as synagogues. Known as what? Synagogues or temples. Their spiritual leader is called Rabbi. It's called what? Rabbi. Jewish festival. Jewish festival. Passover is one of the Jewish festivals. What is Passover? Passover refers to the biblical story when God passed over houses of Jews' family and saved their children and killed other firstborn babies in Egypt. That sounds familiar, right? Yes, from the Bible stories. This is Torah, the Jews' holy book. These are the Jews during Passover festival. Buddhism. Buddhism. People who practice Buddhism are called Buddhists. Examples of countries where Buddhism is being practiced are China and Japan. These countries are in the continent of Asia. The place of worship for the Buddhists is called temple. It's called what? Temple. Buddhist gods are called Deva. Buddhist gods are called Deva. Vesak is one of the most important Buddhist festivals. Vesak is one of the most important Buddhist festivals. These are the Buddhists in the temple and Buddhists during festival. Hinduism. Hinduism. Hinduism is another common religion in the world. Those who practice Hinduism are called Hindus. Hinduism is a common religion in India. Where, children? India. Hinduism is regarded as the oldest religion in the world. As the oldest religion in the world. Most Hindus have a small shrine in their homes where they can worship daily. One of the Hindus' festivals is called Diwali. It's called what? Diwali. Diwali is known as a festival of lights. Diwali is known as a festival of lights. It is the most popular festival in India. This is the picture of Hindu shrine and Diwali festival of lights. Children, what are some moral lessons that all the religions of the world teach us? 1. Treat others as you would want to be treated. That is, be kind to others, then others will be kind to you. 2. Love other people around you. 3. Say the truth always and don't tell lies. Do not steal. And 5. Do not kill. Children, have you learned something new today? So, we meet again next week. Bye for now.